Ever wonder how your smartphone knows who you are, or how Netflix always seems to suggest the perfect movie? Well, it's not magic, it's AI at work. But how does it actually do it? Today we're going to pull back the curtain and understand these surprisingly simple steps of how artificial intelligence goes from raw information to making those smart decisions. All without getting bogged down in confusing tech talk. Think of it like cooking. Before a chef can make a delicious meal, they need ingredients, right? Flour, eggs, sugar. Well, AI also needs its ingredients, and we call those data. Data is the raw information we feed to the AI. It could be pictures, sounds, written text, or even just numbers. It's the AI's textbook, its reference library. Crucially, for many AIs, this data comes with answers. We call it labeled data. Like showing a child hundreds of dog photos and telling them, this is a dog, or showing them cat photos and saying, this is a cat. The more relevant, diverse, and well-organized this data is, the better the AI can learn and understand the world it's supposed to operate in. Now for the core of how AI works, its brain, which is a neural network. Imagine it as a super fast, flexible system of interconnected digital neurons, kind of inspired by our own brains, but much simpler. When we feed the data into this neural network, it's like a brand new student taking their first test. At first, it's terrible. If we show it a picture of a dog and ask, what is this? It might guess cat or even toaster. But here's the clever part. We immediately tell it, nope, wrong, that was a dog. The network then subtly adjusts its internal connections. Think of it like fine-tuning a radio dial or a sculptor making tiny adjustments to clay. This process of trial and error repeats millions, even billions of times with vast amounts of data. Each mistake helps it learn and get smarter at recognizing patterns. The AI isn't thinking or understanding like us. It's becoming incredibly good at finding hidden patterns and relationships in the data it's trained on through sheer practice. Once the AI is thoroughly trained, when it's done its homework and aced its practice tests, it's ready to work in the real world. Now, when you give it new, unseen data, it can make a confident prediction or generate a useful output. Show it a brand new picture of a dog, and because its connections are perfectly tuned, it confidently says, that's a dog. Or give it details for a new house, and it quickly predicts its likely selling price. You can even ask it to write a story or create an image, and it uses all the patterns it learned from millions of texts and pictures to generate something new. It's like it has developed a very specific skill based on all its practice and experience. So, in simple terms, AI works by 1. Taking in vast amounts of data, 2. Learning patterns within that data using a neural network through millions of corrections, and 3. Then using that learned knowledge to make predictions or generate new outputs. This fundamental process is behind almost all the amazing AI we see today. From making our devices smarter, to helping doctors, artists, and scientists. It's constantly learning and evolving. The more good data and refinement we give them, the more incredible things AI can do. What do you think AI will do next? Share your thoughts in the comments below.